another banger. Hi my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are on episode 2 of cooking one soup from each state of Nigeria. And of course, when I said another banger, what were you expecting? We're going to Delta now and we are cooking banga soup. So without so much being said, let's move right into the ingredients. We will need palm kernel extract, which is the base of our soup, blended pepper, momo, also known as cow skin, protein of choice, I'm using cow meat, periwinkles, and this is totally optional. I'm using the shelled one. You can choose to use the one out of shell. Crayfish, it is very important. I'll also be including fish. I'm using kote fish, fresh fish. You can choose to use smoked fish or even catfish for this. Aiding fruit, it is very important, so please ensure you wash yours very well because it comes with a lot of dirt from the local market. Hewuru, also known as calabash nutmeg. Honestly, I don't know the Delta name of this stick, but I call it banga stick. Seasoning cube, salt, beletete leaf, ataiko seed. Once you call this flat seed at the market, they will understand. Okpai, and this is optional. Onion bulb. My friends, so as we usually do, we're going to start off with boiling our meat. I'm going to start the base of this soup with 2 seasoning cubes, a pinch of salt. Let's just stir to combine, then allow the meat to cook in its own juice. While the meat is boiling, let's use the opportunity to blend our onions and other seeds that are here into a paste or liquid form so we can incorporate it into the soup. So we'll be blending hewuru. Hewuru is also known as calabash nutmeg, the ataiko seed, the flat seed. This smells so good. It's been 15 minutes already and the water in our meat is dried up totally. So I'm just going to add in the blended mixture we blended a minute ago. Momo, already properly washed. My periwinkle. I feel like I should not add everything because it looks so much. Pepper mix. The palm kernel extract. Be careful when you're adding this because you don't want to add the black bottom part of it. With lots of crayfish. Okpai. Don't forget your banga stick, very important. Your aiding fruits, very important. It gives this soup so much flavor. Now we're just going to allow this boil for a bit and allow the banga reduce a little bit before we proceed to the next step. It's been 1 hour of cooking on low heat and now let's check our banga. It smells so good. The water has drastically reduced and it is thick a little bit. So it's time to add our fresh fish. Bear it in mind that the fresh fish has not been cooked at all. Fresh fish doesn't take time to cook at all. 10 to 15 minutes at most, the fish will have been ready and it will have infused very well into the banga or whatever you are cooking. And you are ready to go. So let's add in our fresh fish now. I already salt the fish a little bit before incorporating into this soup. You can choose to just leave it like that or rub it with a little salt. Now we're going to go in with our beletete leaf. This is what makes it the indigenous Delta style banga. It was dried from the market but I properly rinsed it already just because of probabilities of sand. I'm also going to add in 1 more seasoning cube aside the base seasoning cube we used to boil our meat. That is because the soup was tasted earlier and I felt like I need to season it a little bit more. So I always say this, it is your food, so just season it to taste. And you know, seasoning depends on the quantity of banga you are making. So just season your food to taste. And just because of the fish I just incorporated to this soup, now I'm not going to turn it too much because I don't want my fish to pieces. I'm just going to cover this up and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we will have made a banging banga. No. We did a thing with this soup. We did a thing with this soup. It looks so good and it looks so perfect. It's giving Delta style. It's giving Warri standard. Let me grab my spoon. Yay! Area. This soup done. It done. It done sakutu wawa. It's too good. Let's not lie, let's not steal. Food in this country, like there's food in this country beyond ogbono soup and okra soup. Honestly speaking, this is so good and it's such a privilege for me. It's such a delight for me that I'm able to explore meals that are not from my ethnic group, and I'm hitting the nail on its head. So let me know, what will you be pairing this soup with? And if you've not subscribed yet, at this point that we have gotten to in this video, if you've not subscribed, for what are you waiting for now? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, please, my friends. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comments and your suggestions in the comment section. Like, I just have this sense of I am doing something right when I see your subscription, and it gives me joy when we discuss in the comment section. I love to see your comments. It gives me butterflies. So just hit the subscribe button, and I would love to see you in the next episode of this series. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, bye bye.